Thank you.
Kaya pa nun.
Yes.
Okay.
Congratulations. Good afternoon, class. So, this month we were having a Walang Hiya, and I want you to participate for this activity. Natividad, I want you to know na medyo tagilid ka sa course ko.
Tol, sali ka na sa slogan making. Nakanganib na yung grades mo.
Ano, tol?
Slogan making, sumali ka na.
Oo nga, inisip ko na nga, nangangalim yung grades ko, tol. May family problem ko sila, may pre. Ang lalim ng dahilan.
Ano bang dahilan mo, pre?
Ayun nga, pre. Dahil sa pera yun, pre. Lahat na talaga eh. Kailangan ko pumasok ng trabaho, pre.
Mental health encompasses emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act, influencing how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices.
Yes?
Ako sasali po sa slogan making.
Oh, that's good.
Turning your pain into art can be a powerful way to find meaning in healing. Your experiences, no matter how challenging, can become a source of inspiration and creativity. Embrace your feelings and let them guide your artistic expression. Remember, art can be a profound way to connect with others and yourself, turning struggle into something beautiful and impactful. Your voice and perspective are unique and valuable. Allow them to shape your art and in turn offer hope and understanding to others who might be walking a similar path.
Everyone, gusto ko lang sabihin na congratulations, Natividad, because I heard that ikaw yung champion sa ating slogan making.
Congrats, Tol.
Oy, tol. Thank you.
Kaya pa nun tinatawag yung talent.
Hindi mo ako mapaniwala, nagawa ko yun.
Turn your pain into creativity. Channel your feelings into art, and let each stroke or word be a step toward healing. Your struggles can fuel something beautiful and profound.